Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss your problem solving of exercise 9.3. Question number 1 to 26 has been solved in last 3 lectures. Today 4 lecture of this exercise. Today I am taking question number 27. This question is a very important question and different type questions. Question number 27 here. Find the value of n. What value of the n here? You will find the value of this n so that this one may be the geometrical mean between A and B. If given condition here, if this is the geometrical mean of A and B, what is the geometrical mean of A and B? This one. Or what you find here, value of the n. Then very careful how to find out the geometrical mean. Yes, now start the function. First of all, if two numbers, what is the geometrical mean? Geometrical mean given here a exponent n plus 1 plus b n plus 1 upon a exponent n plus b exponent n, and two numbers between two numbers A and B. Two numbers given here A and B. What is the geometrical mean A and B here? This one. What is the identity of the geometrical mean? Now, geometrical mean equal to root AB means two numbers when product of the two square product of the two numbers within square root of the product of the two numbers. What is the formula of the geometrical mean? Geometrical mean equal to square root product of the both the numbers. So this one is the identity of the geometrical mean. Now putting the value, what is the geometrical mean? You put here a exponent n plus 1 plus b exponent n plus 1 upon a exponent n plus b exponent n equal to root ab. This one. Now look here. Okay, this one the geometrical mean and two number a and b. The two things here given. So according to identity here, the identity of geometrical mean here, what is the geometrical mean? Geometrical means square root product of the both the numbers. So number here a and b. So then your a and b is same here, and this is the geometrical mean of the given number. Then putting value of the geometrical mean. After that you calculate, then find the value of the n. Yes, now start. A exponent n plus 1 plus b exponent n plus 1 equal to a exponent n plus b exponent n, and you write here ab power exponent n and power here exponent 2. Means value of the square root is 1 upon 2. What value of the square root? In exponent power is 1 by 2. So here square root AB means a exponent 1 by 2 and b exponent 1 by 2. You can write this form here. If square root AB equal to 1 by 2 and b is 1 by 2. You can write square root AB means exponent of a is 1 by 2 and exponent of b equal to 1 by 2. After that you will multiply here. What value come here? A exponent n into a exponent half and b exponent half. First multiply first term, second multiply here b exponent n, a exponent half and b exponent half. This both the product of both the number multiply in the first term here, this one. Product of the both the number multiply in the second term, this one. So after that you will get this form. Now you calculate this. What value here? You will power here n here 1 by 2. So you can write here power n plus 1 by 2 into b exponent 1 by 2, and same thing here b exponent n plus 1 by 2, a exponent 1 by 2. Because here both base are same. When base are same, this identity here, when base a exponent m into a exponent n equal to a exponent m plus n. The law of exponent. This one and this one, both of the law of the, according, you will solve according the law of the exponent. A exponent m into a exponent equal to a exponent m plus n. The same thing here. When base is equal, then add the powers. When base here same, base same, then you adding the power here, and a will write the, those are the unlike, will write the separate way. Those is the unlike, will write the separate way, or those is the like form, you will write the addition form. So their power will be added here. Here a like, here b like, then you adding according to the law of the exponent. Yes. After that, you will transposing the left side of this. You will be transposing this left side. Both the term will transposing the left side. So now a exponent n plus 1 plus b exponent n plus 1 minus a exponent n plus 1 by 2 dot b exponent half minus b exponent n plus 1 by 2 into a exponent half equal to 0. Now look here, this portion, this first term and second, both term transposing the left side. This will in the positive, then converting the negative sign. Second term also is the positive, then also converting the negative sign are equal to 0. After that, you making the group according to like form. A making the one group and B you making the second group. Now a exponent n plus 1 minus a exponent n plus 1 by 2 and b exponent 1 by 2, making first group. Second group will make a plus sign, b exponent n plus 1 minus b exponent n plus 1 by 2 and a exponent half equal to 0. Very carefully, here a exponent power of the air n plus 1 are this ways. This one making the first group, and plus b here you write here plus, and this one you making the second group. After that you will taking the common. What things you taking the common here? Here not simple things you taking common here. Suppose you have the power a exponent 2 minus a exponent 4, then you easily taking common a exponent 4 1 minus a exponent 2. This is a very simple thing. What power 2 and 4, the common integer form, then you are taking the easily taking common. But here not in integer form. Here n plus 1 n plus half. The first of thing, what will it get, n plus 1 or n plus half? First of all, we check this, which value are greater, n plus 1 or n plus 1 by 2. So this value is greater, n plus 1 is greater, or n plus half is smaller. So when you taking the common, this is the smaller power, not greater power. When you taking the common here, a exponent 2 or a exponent 4, what things you common here? A exponent 2. Why? Because minimum power you will taking you common, not maximum power you will take common. So you will be taking the minimum power, not maximum power. So what is the minimum power here? So this is the minimum power. This is the maximum power. So when you taking common here, the same rule applying here. So we will taking the minimum power, not maximum power. Yes. Taking common here a n plus 1 by 2, or what things are left? Second, what things are left? So suppose you convert this n plus 1 equal to n plus 1 by 2 or plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means full. Half plus half full. That means 1 by 2 means 1. So this portion you have taken common. What is left? 1 by 2. You will write here a exponent 1 by 2 minus b exponent 1 by 2. These things you look again how to taking common here. First rule here, you will be taking the minimum power common. The minimum power 1 plus n plus 1 and n plus 1 by 2 is the minimum power n plus 1 by 2 is taking common. What things left here? According to these rules, you can break down the 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 are left. Same thing here. B exponent n plus 1 by 2 taking common, here left b 1 by 2 minus a 1 by 2. This one is equal to 0. So this one taking common and this two are b plus n by taking to common. This thing is clear. Again, this is the first term, this is the second term, but this one and this one is again similar. So you convert in the similar, you change the minus sign here, then this is transposing this, the a exponent n plus 1 by 2, a exponent 1 by 2 minus b exponent 1 by 2, taking minus sign common here, the b exponent n plus 1 by 2, you will change here a exponent 2 minus b exponent 1 by 2 equal to 0. In this step, I am taking only minus sign common. This plus convert into minus. Or this first term and the second term having making the common form. Taking again common this and this term here, now a exponent 1 by 2 minus b exponent 1 by 2. Here a exponent n plus 1 by 2 minus b exponent n plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. This rule applying here, splitting middle term, you are taking the common here, this and this portion again taking common. What is the left part? This and this taking left part, I am taking writing here. This and this left part you writing here. So then equal to 0. Important things here, this when product of two numbers, there are two integers, a two number product is 0, means this one 0, otherwise this one 0. Both will be not 0. This one 0, otherwise this one 0. When product of two number is 0, applying this rule, both number will be not 0. If this 0, this will not 0. If this product of this number means, if this 0, after that if this 0, one by one. Now, if n plus 1 by 2 minus b n plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. I am taking this one 0. This one is not possible 0 because here already given here value root ab. Suppose both the number are 0, then how to possible the root? So this number is not possible 0, so this one is 0. Then you can write here, then and a exponent 1 by 2 minus b exponent 1 by 2 does not equal to 0. This one only 0. Now taking the this one, you transporting the right side, a exponent n plus 1 by 2 equal to b exponent n plus 1 by 2. This portion transporting right side. Then you note down it, then solve it. Yes, students. So this portion here taking here कि a exponent n plus 1 by 2 equal to b exponent n plus 1 by 2. So this we can divide from here कि a exponent n plus 1 by 2 upon b exponent n plus 1 by 2. What is left here? 1. When if this will be go taking the right side, this will go in the divide form, or here left is 1. Then you can take here कि a exponent a upon b are n plus 1 by 2. Okay, exponent here same. Exponent here same. According to law of the exponent, you can write the single time. This one equal to 1. Or you can write here a upon b exponent here 0. You know, every number having exponent is 0, the value is the 1. Every number, suppose x exponent 0, the value is 1. 2 exponent 0, the value is 1. 100 exponent 0, the value is also 1. So every number having the exponent is 0, then the result is 1. The result is 1. So then using this rule, this is the law of the this rule also the law of the exponent. When base is the same, base here left side and right side both are same, means equating the power, then कि n plus 1 by 2 equal to 0, so n equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is your final answer. The value of the n here, the value of the n here, what value here? This is the value of the n here, minus 1 by 2. What value of the n here? Value of the n in this GM is minus n1 by 2. When you solve in this type question, very carefully in multiplications, when you taking the common, when you separating, when everything very carefully, and what is the GM here, then putting, and then you get the answer. Yes, you note down the next questions. Yes, class, next question I am taking. Question number 30. This question is a different type questions, a practical basis question, this question, and you can make the model of this question also. This question is very important questions. Question here, the number of bacteria in a certain culture double every hour if there were 30 bacteria present in the culture. Means given condition here, it means any cultures every hour double. What value of the R? 2. Double means value of the R here, we are right then double. Value of R here 2. Second things, there were 30 bacteria present in the culture originally. Meaning starting the bacteria, how many starting the bacteria? When you start the culture, then bacteria is present in 30. Means first term is 30. And how many bacteria will be present at the end of second hour, fourth hour, and nth hour? So question is the very clearly that this question is coming in the GP, because here write the double value of the R. Second things are given, starting means first term is 30. Starting, when you counting the starting the bacteria, then starting were 30. So what is the how many bacteria at end of the second hour? Not starting off, very carefully. How many bacteria present in the end of the second hour? End, not starting. Second, end of the fourth hour, not starting fourth hours. End of the nth hour, end of the nth hour. So very carefully. Yes. So now start the solution here. First things, what value of the first term here? A, 30. What value R here? 2. Why? Why we taking here GP? Because GP converted, suppose here 2, then 4, then 8, then 16. So GP is multiple times. Suppose first hour 2, next में क्या है 4, next में 8. So what is the common ratio here? Common ratio always come here R equal to 2. Every time double or triple or 4 times or 5 times. So this is when this sequence come in the questions. It means this one is the GP. This one is the GP. When it doubles, triples, multiple times called is the GP here. So this is called here GP. The value of the double means R equal to 2. Our first term here 30. So end of the number of bacteria present in the end of the second hour. So now you will find this. Here you have already got here. So now number of bacteria present at the end of second hour. At the end of second hour. This is called the AR square. This one is called the zero. Why? First term here A, AR and AR square, AR cube, AR4. This is the GP form. This is one the GP. This is the starting. This is the second. But end of the second is called the third term. Very careful. Number of bacteria present at the end of second. Yeah, you can say here after 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can say this or after 2 hours also. You can say this after 2 hours also. After 2 hours, first, second, after 2 hours, third hours. So you will write here AR square. Now we are putting here value of the R 30 and value of the R here 2. That means 120. number of bacteria present at the end of second hour equal to 120 bacteria. Same thing, number of the bacteria present end of fourth hours equal to, now look here, first, second, third, the fourth, first, second, third, this is the fourth hours, ARQ. Sorry, end of the fourth hour, then fifth, AR4. End of the fourth hour, the first, second, third, fourth, this is the fourth hour, and end of the fourth hour means fifth. So you will write here AR4. What will be your 30 and 2 exponent 4? So what result will come? 30 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 480. 2 exponent 4, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 2 exponent 4 is 16, 16 is a 48, 480 bacteria after 4th hours. The same things here, nth hours, number of bacteria present, number of bacteria present end of nth hour with ARN minus 1. You know कि GP के what is the TN terms? ARN minus. This is the nth term of the GP. This one is the nth term of the GP. Then we will be after nth term. What value of here? And nth hour. So this is the nth term. Then you will be nth term one more here. Then n plus 1. Then you can add here. If the nth term, then means after nth term means AR n minus 1 plus 1. So you can write here AR n. What will become here? This is the general term, the nth term of the. For here you will write here after nth term. After nth term you will write here plus 1 also. So this will come here ARN. Are putting the value of A. What value of A here? 30. And what value of R here? 2. N. That means 32 exponent n. This is your answer. 30 into 2 exponent n your answer. This is your answer. Number of bacteria end of the nth hour. Nth hour means this is the general term of the GP, but this is the only nth term. But after nth term, one more add. You will add the one more here. Then you will add here Rn plus Rn. The result will come here this. Then you will find the value of the put the value of the A and put the value of the R. Then you get the result. According this way, you will solve the questions. The number of bacteria in certain culture double. Double means this is value of the R. Every hour there were the 30 bacteria present in the starting, in the originally. How starting bacteria in the present in the culture is 30. How many bacteria will be present in the end of the 2 hours 120, end of the 4 hours is 480, and end of the nth hours is the 30 into what value of the n, and then you put and then you get the correct answer. Yes, you note down it. Then next.